Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Upschooling. I am Bhagyalakshmi, a trainee teacher. Today I am going to explain lesson of prose through 5P approach in Odia medium school. In my lesson plan, I have taken a topic of class 9, that is the missile men of India. Now let's start. After entering into the class, first the teacher should fill up the left side blackboard work, that is date, school, class, age, period, time and subject correctly. But the topic place kept blank. After the engagement of the students, it should be filled up. And in the right side, there is mentioned about the general equipments and instructional aids. General equipments includes chalk, duster, pointer, BB cloth and book, etc. And instructional aid includes model, pictures, etc. Let's come to the middle part. There is a description about the general aims of the topic. What the teacher expects to achieve in general terms should be mentioned in it. As the English literature is studied in the format of prose, poetry and grammar, so the general objectives are different. The general objectives of teaching prose lesson is to develop the linguistic skill, power of vocabulary, imagination power, etc. Overall, general objectives is based on developing the 4 skills of the child, such as listening, speaking, reading and writing. In the study of English, the specific aim is divided into 2 ways, that is the content objectives and the linguistic objectives. The specific aim is based on the exact topic. The content objectives is based on the particular content, and the linguistic objectives is used to develop the vocabulary knowledge of the students. The objectives should be stated by using some verbs of Bloom's taxonomy, such as explain, describe, analysis, identify, list, state, etc. And the objectives should be based on the 4 domain of the child, that is the knowledge, understanding, application and skill. As we know that the 5P is a constructive approach, so the students must be construct their knowledge section by themselves. The objectives should not be written in question format. There is a major difference between the general aims and specific aim is that what cannot be measured is regarded as general aims and what can be measured is regarded as the specific aims, and the specific aim measured at the end of the lesson. As teaching is bound with some sort of time limit, so in today's class I am taking only 1 to 4 paragraph of the missile men of India. Before going to the topic, the teacher must look after the proper discipline and sitting arrangement of the classroom, and the teacher will follow some teaching methods to deliver the topic, like direct method, bilingual method, translation method, audiolingual method, etc. Then the teacher will follow steps systematically, that is engage, explore, explain, elaborate and evaluation. In the engage step, the teacher will ask some questions to the students to test their previous knowledge. The questions should be close-ended and short, and show some pictures, newspaper cuttings, model, etc. to engage the students into the topic. After getting the possible answer from the pupils, the teacher will declare the topic name to the students and write the topic name in the topic column on the blackboard. The next step is explore step. Here the teacher will read the paragraph loudly with proper pronunciation. Then the teacher will ask some students to do loud reading and instruct other students to follow the line of paragraphs. Then the teacher will ask the students to read the paragraph silently. After the explore step, the next step is explain step. In this step, the teacher will explain the meaning of new words with the help of some devices like illustration, bilingual, real life example, etc. And the teacher again asks the students to read the paragraph silently by using the meaning of new words. The next step is elaborate. In this step, the teacher will again divide the classroom into 4 groups and distribute some worksheet among them and ask to answer this question. After getting the possible answer from the students, the teacher will discuss the questions with the whole class. Then the teacher will summarize the topic and also explain the topic with the help of a flowchart. The last step is evaluation step. In this step, the teacher will ask to assess whether the objectives are achieved or not. The questions should be asked on the basis of knowledge, understanding, application, and skill. At last, the teacher give a homework to the students for the next class. So that's all about the presentation of a 5P lesson plan. Thank you.